guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Margarita, and today I'm going to show you how to create viral social media ads that can actually make you millions and millions of dollars. I can almost guarantee that if you watch all the way to the end and follow all these tips, you're going to definitely see an increase in your Shopify sales. So if you're interested in getting started, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so first and foremost, you do need to find your product. So go to my last video where I give you step-by-step on how to find a winning product, and then come back to this one once you have a good product. Second, make sure you have your product in hand, because in order to create the content, you do need to have the product with you. I recommend either getting it on Amazon or having your supplier DHL it to you, or order it on AliExpress, whatever you need, with the fastest shipping method so it can get to you as soon as possible. If the shipping on AliExpress still seems to take a long time, message the supplier directly and ask them to ship the product for you for PX, that you're getting samples for your dropshipping business. Okay, now let's get into actually creating the ad now. A viral ad has these three components in it. It has a really good hook, direct messaging to your target audience, and it has a very clear call to action. Okay, so now I'm gonna break down each of the three parts of the viral ad structure for you to understand each part of it, and make sure whenever you're creating your ads that they have all three of these parts. As always, I'm going to give you a bunch of examples for you to have as many ideas in your head of what is possible. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the hook, which is almost the most important part of your ad, because if you don't catch someone's attention in the first 3 seconds, they're gonna keep on scrolling and they're not gonna watch your video. I don't know if you remember, but in English class, how much a teacher would stress out and talk about the hook, how important it is to have a hook. Some teachers wouldn't even read past the hook because it was boring. The hook is gonna tell you the rest about your essay, and it's gonna tell you the rest about your ad. So make sure you spend good time on it. So the hook can come in various different ways. The first way is that it can come in a video clip. So this is an example of a hook as a video clip. As you can see, they don't have any text at all. They're just showing you automatically in the first 3 seconds what their product does for you. If you're a girl, you understand that this product is doing a lot for you. It's snatching you in. You're not hanging out on the sides. No, like, you're snatched in. And they showed you that the first 3 seconds. Automatically, you're captivated and you want to see what it is about. Next, your hook can come in a bold statement or a controversial statement that's definitely going to have people stop and be like, whoa, what is this? For example, this shower case. I'm so attached, I need to FaceTime my girlfriend in the shower. Like, that is definitely a bold statement. There's gonna be people in the comments like, whoa, like, what do you mean? Like, you can definitely leave your girlfriend alone for 3 seconds. You know the deal. There's gonna be controversy in the comments, and you're like, wait, what are you talking about? Like, you're interested and you wanna watch more. Like, what are they talking about? They have you captivated. That is a really good one. The next way that you can find hooks is in a comment. So, for example, this one, I need this, my back hurts 24/7. That is the hook of this video, automatically talking about the need of the product. And then people are gonna be like, wait, what do you mean? What is this about? Maybe they have back problems or back pain themselves and they wanna resolve it, and they're gonna continue watching this video. Automatically, their attention was grabbed. And lastly, a hook can come in the form of a facial expression. This is a good example. Another way to do it is like a surprise face. I do it sometimes in my own TikToks. We do it for our brand, and it'll be someone like, and like text above like, oh my god, you'll never guess what TikTok made me buy. Something like that. And people are gonna be like, oh, she is in shock. What did TikTok make her buy? So then they're gonna continue watching and see what the big commotion is about. So the goal for your hook is to capture your audience's attention and keep them watching for as long as possible. So a good example of keeping your audience watching for longer than they need to is this ad right here, which is the levels of stretch. For example, if you have a bunch of different lash types, you could be like, how long can my lashes get? So then you'd be like, lowest, medium, high. Like, you know, like, show that there's an elevation and that there's progress to be made with your product. Okay, now that we have the hook out of the way and we understand the different ways that a hook can come on our For You page and how you can create a hook in various different ways, let's talk about messaging. Now that you have your audience hooked, we need to make sure that we create a need or a demand for your product. So I like to use this analogy that other marketers call it, I don't know, the bridge method. So your customer is here and they want to be here, and you're going to sell them the transformation from here to here. To do this, you do have to really hone in on your target market and figure out what their problem is. So for example, with the leggings that we saw earlier, what is the problem? The problem is that maybe other leggings aren't snatching you in the way you want. So you're gonna sell the transformation from being all over the place and I guess loose and not snatched to being snatched. Your customer is going to go from here to here with your product, and that is the transformation that you need to sell or you need to create. Your customer might not think about it immediately, but it is your job to create the need and the demand for them. So let's get into it. All right, so getting into messaging and selling the transformation, the first example I have is this ad by Iology. You can see in the beginning, I'm gonna let you watch it for a second. Okay, so for that specific ad, they had a really good hook. They're like, ooh, that feels so good. People are probably like, whoa, what is that? Like, what is that doing? I do feel like they extended the hook a little bit long. I wouldn't be more than 4 seconds in the hook. Like immediately 4 seconds, you're onto the messaging. Like you need this and this is why. Regardless, this product is taking you from with headaches to without headaches. They're selling you that transformation, that relaxation from tense eyes to relieved eyes. That is what this product is selling you, and you can see that in the messaging of their video. They're showing you how it's really helping with the tension and the migraines and things like that. The next example I have is this ad by Lift Armor, and it's pretty much selling the transformation of having no support to having full support. Ladies know if you have a strapless bra, most of them do not have that much support. This one is telling you that it's gonna have double, triple, like quadruple support. It is gonna keep your babies up high, and you're gonna sell the transformation from no support to support, from not being able to wear a strapless dress to wearing a strapless dress. You're gonna sell that want. What do customers want out of wearing a strapless bra? Because people don't just want to wear a strapless bra. People don't go around thinking like, oh, today I'm gonna wear a strapless bra. Like you really only wear it if you need a strapless bra. And this one, like they're selling it to you to be the best strapless bra. We're gonna talk about the leggings again. They automatically sold you the transformation within their hook, taking you from loose to super snatched. To create a good message, again, you do have to really hone in on who your audience is and what their problem is. And once you figure out what that problem is that your audience really has, then you can really come and sell them the transformation. For example, the indestructible shoes. People who work in the construction industry might step on a nail, might hit their toe, this and that. But with the indestructible shoe, you can literally step on a nail and you're gonna be okay. You're gonna sell them that safety. From a regular shoe to the indestructible shoe that will keep you safe on the job. Okay, so now I'm gonna give you more examples on the Iology one because that is a really good product. I feel like their ad was okay, but it could definitely be better. And I haven't seen this product on TikTok yet. So this could be you bringing it over to TikTok. Some verbiage I would use on the videos of using the eye massager would be, my mom suffers from migraines and I just got her the eye massager, let's see her reaction. And it could be like somebody putting on the eye massager and again being like, oh wow, like it feels so good. You get the vibe. Another one is, I have been using Iology for the past 3 weeks and I am feeling so much more relaxed. My headaches have gone down and I'm getting a better night's sleep. Okay, notice how I'm not selling you the product itself, like, oh, it's portable, it's made out of good material, it massages. Like, that's not what I'm telling you. I'm gonna sell you the transformation that you, my audience, is gonna have after using the product, the benefit of the product. I don't care what the product is made out of. I don't care that it massages. I care, like, what is the massaging gonna do? It's gonna relieve your head, it's gonna make you feel better, it's gonna give you more energy, you're gonna get a better night's sleep because you feel so rested and now you have way more energy. That is what your customers care about. The transformation from being no energy, headache, sad, to happy, energized, no headache. That is what we're selling. And then for the bra, and some verbiage I would use for that is, I struggled to find a strapless bra that actually held me up all night until I found Lift Armor, and with the double support, this is the best strapless bra I've ever worn and the only one I'll ever wear again. So like you see like the transformation from not having a good one to having a really good one. that is what we're selling. Okay, so now that we have a hook and really good messaging that we've already sold our audience because we've showed them that they actually need our product in order to live a better life, now we're gonna go into the call to action. And in the call to action, we are going to end with an undeniable offer that they can just not say no to. For example, for the strapless bra again, I would say something like, get the support you need to wear strapless dresses this summer. Shop today for another 30% off this weekend only. Or for the leggings, snatch your waist today with the, I forgot what they're called, like snatch leggings. Shop now for an extra 30% off this weekend only. We're tying it back to their need, like they really want to feel snatched and secure in their leggings, and we're giving them a sale for them to take action, but they don't have forever to take action. So we're giving them this weekend only, this week only. We do sales every single time there is a need to do a sale. We're gonna do a Valentine's Day sale, Martin Luther King Day sale, Labor Day sale, Halloween sale. Like anytime that there's a sale available, our store is gonna do a sale, and that's when we're gonna start doing these type of wording. So another one, put an end to your eye pain today with Eyeology. Shop now for 30% off this Labor Day weekend only. And sometimes you can even increase, decrease, whatever it is, or create your own sales, but always tie it back to your customer's problem. What is it that you're trying to solve? And just remind them that with your product, they can have their problem solved today. Okay, so now that you know the viral ad structure, that has again made me $4 million the past 8 months, so I know for a fact it works. I'm gonna give you more tips and tricks to make sure that your ad really converts. First and foremost, you want your ad to look native to the social media platform that it's on. For example, if it is on TikTok, make sure that it's a long video ad, that it doesn't look like a square. If it's on TikTok, again, make sure it's not pictures or slideshows because it is a video platform. Also, the sound that you use for your ad can really make or break your ad. We had a one-on-one meeting with TikTok when they were helping us just improve our ads a couple months ago, and they told us to split test different sounds to see which one would do better, because sounds are very, very important on TikTok. What I recommend to find the best sounds is to intentionally scroll on TikTok, and if you keep on hearing a sound over and over again after you've been scrolling for 20-30 minutes, then those are sounds that you can definitely go in and save. Something that you really do have to keep in mind is that if you're going to be doing organic content, you can use copyrighted songs and sounds and things like that, but as soon as you start trying to run ads, make sure that you're using original sounds for your ads. And there's plenty original sounds to choose from. You can definitely trust me on that, because we post 15 to 25 times a day, and most of them are original sounds, so there's definitely sounds to go. So to save a sound on TikTok, just scroll until you find a good sound. Then what you're gonna do is click on the sound on the bottom and then click add to favorites. And that's how you're gonna keep track of your sounds. And once you have your content, you can just click on the sound that you wanna use. Again, sounds are very important. So another tip I have for finding good sounds is following creators and accounts that share trending sounds with you. I'm gonna link a bunch of them right here, different creators that will tell you this is a new trend that is happening. It only has 50,000 videos right now. This is a trending sound. This is a trending sound. So definitely check them out. Shout out to them for keeping us up to date with the best sounds. And lastly, make sure that your video is fast-paced. Again, I said it before, your hook should not be longer than 3 to 4 seconds. I'm gonna give you an example. Earlier I talked about facial expression hooks. So you're like this for 3 seconds maximum with like your hook right here, and then you're off to clips. It is very important to have various different clips throughout your video, so you're just not zoned into one angle of your product the entire time. So let's just use these glasses that I found. So it could be like, or let's do it right now. So my phone is right here, so we're gonna do like, oh my gosh, 3 seconds, then glasses on, then for 2 to 3 seconds, then glasses details, the benefits of the glasses listed, just lots of different clips is the key to this. We can't have just one long clip of it. And last but not least, again, make your video audience centered, not product centered. No one cares about your product. No one wants to buy your product unless it's gonna benefit them in some way. So make sure that in your ad, you're really stressing how much their life is going to change and improve once they have your product. Okay, so that is all I have for you guys today. Make sure you like, subscribe, Follow me on Instagram at MissMargariita. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and comment. Let me know what you thought about it. And if you're feeling risky, sell me this pen in the comments, because I'm pretty sure after what we talked about today, you'll be able to sell anything to anyone. Just remember to create a need for it. I will catch you guys here next time.